Rendering of Boeing 7878 in Japan Airlines livery. BoeingJapan Airlines JAL has ordered 4 Boeing 7878s in an order valued at more than $900 million at list prices. The transaction, previously attributed to an unidentified customer, will expand JAL's Dreamliner fleet to 49 aircraft. JAL President Yoshihiro Ueki said the order is a key part of our strategy as we look to bolster our existing route network and strengthen our position ahead of the 2020 Summer Olympic Games in Tokyo. JAL operates 34 of the type and expects to receive its 35th Dreamliner, a 7879, later this week. With this new order, JAL's 787 fleet includes 29 7878s and 20 7879s. Linda Blatchley Linda.Blatchley@penton.com